Not many doctors have built business, though we recruited doctors, exceptionally one or two people. But the business comes from the ordinary people who have decided to be extraordinary by their hard work.
Yeah, it's professor is really important. Is what is the products? What we sell? So when I ask the people, what is your products? What do you sell? And I got many answers. I sell the health products. I sell the Ganoderma. I sell the healthy coffee. I sell the financial freedom. I sell the good business opportunity. Blah blah. Of course, it's nice answer. But do you know my products? My products every time is different. My products, you can do it. You can do this business. You're capable to do this business. This is my product. This is what I sell when I meet the new prospect. I have to show you can do this business because you know many people who drinks coffee.
Yes.
Who take a sugar. You know Ayurvedic people who take a sugar.
I remember always about you, and I also heard from you inviting people business over a cup of coffee.
Yeah.
Business over a cup of, that was a very attractive proposition to somebody to come and sit chat and know initially about the business. As you said, this coffee, tea, soap, shampoo, or our Kokosi, or even Morinji. Morinji is again a juice. This is a wonderful juice. And our Rosella, all these are beverages. They are all drinks. They are very attractive because after water, people will drink something liquid. All types of liquid Dr. Lim has brought in DXN. I think that is what the best proposition to entry level. That was what you did it wisely. One more question I would like to ask. Most people enter here for a quick money or a easy money. They think their mindset is quick money or easy money. What is your advice for such people? Because they enter, it's like a lottery mentality in MLM. Lottery mentality.
Yeah. It's, of course, I saw this action in the market. Most of the people try to find the instant solution. It's same than somebody want to result if you use 2 capsule Ganoderma. They are sick, they use 2 capsule Ganoderma and they want to be health. So it is, of course, it's not working. It's same. It's many people try to find the instant solution, the quick money, the fast money. But it's maybe it is available, but it is not compare the passive income. So is why the people try to find the quick money and the fast money, because they are thinking their situation is really bad now and they want to change it immediately. But my message for them, don't worry about your bad situation, because your bad situation is not running away. Your bad situation can wait. So it's best way if you focus the final solution, the passive income solution. And don't worry about it if you cannot solve the problem immediately. The most important, you have to solve your problem finally. This is the right vision, the right view. So don't worry about it that you cannot influence, because maybe you cannot solve immediately. But please focus what you influence, and you can influence one thing. How many presentation a day? You can influence only one thing. How many presentation a day? So this is the best way if it is your focus. And you know, many people is crying, Lasso, I cannot do money with the DXN. Please help me. I'm do this business really seriously. Please help me. And do you know what is my answer? Sorry, I cannot help you. Sorry, I cannot help you because that you ask is too general. I really want to help you. So I have a request. Please come back 1 week later. Please come back to me 1 week later and please tell me what happened in your last week. Please tell me honestly. And I can help you. Because I know what's happening. Nothing happened. So this is your bonus is really low. Because no action. Your previous week, no real action. It's maybe I try to share something now. I think it can be working.
Yes.
Just a moment. I I'll share with you. Oh, I think it's working. Maybe you see this.
Yes.
Now you see this poster, yes?
Yes, we are seeing.
Yeah. I created it yesterday because I want to show you is what is the option do you have in this in the DXN business. So you see, when you register to DXN, you have two ways. One way, you take a decision, I don't want to build the DXN business. Another, you want to build the DXN business. It's two options. It's really clearly. If you don't want to build the DXN business, you have two options. Don't use the products or use the products. That's it. No more option. But, and this is the most important part, if you want to build the DXN business, if you want to make money, you have two choices. You do the fake work or you do the real work. And this is the big difference. Most of the DXN members do the fake work. You know, they are talking about this opportunity, but not seriously, without any strategy, without any control, you know, the quality control, without any follow-up. Maybe now is many people talking about it. I build this business in online, but please show me what you do. Searching the Facebook is not a building business online. So if you want to do real work, it's two options, two way. 90% presentation online, presentation offline, but the real presentation, face-to-face presentation. And the 10% is develop yourself. Not 30% develop yourself and 70% sharing information. No, 90% sharing information and 10% develop yourself. And the final part, if you have a network and if you didn't reach the Crown Ambassador level until you are not a Crown Ambassador, minimum 70% new presentation. 20% support the network and 10% develop yourself. This is my rules. This is my principle. Please check this. Please check this poster and please find where are you now? Maybe I think you are in the fake work.
Yes.
So this is the main point. If you want to reach big amount, you have to thinking seriously. You have to do real work.
Yes.
Because you want to get real money, yes? You want to get money. So you have to do real work. No other option. So it's okay.